Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video, and this one's a quick one. I want to let you know that DALL-E 3 has launched, at least unofficially, but it's here and you can start using it now, and better yet, you can start using it. That's right, you get up to 100 tokens, so you can do about 100 runs a day on this for free with the brand new DALL-E 3, and I'm going to show you how I know it's DALL-E 3. Right now, I'm using Microsoft Bing's image creator, and it's powered by DALL-E. It used to be powered by DALL-E. Now it's DALL-E 3. How do I know? Because I on the tree there is a sign that says Kingston on it. DALL-E 2.5, whatever they're using, I click on my images here. Kingston has done perfectly. Not luckily, it didn't get it right